Welcome to Supply Chain Simplified, where we turn complex logistics and business systems into simple, actionable lessons. If you're a student, entrepreneur, or professional looking to master how goods, money, and information move around the world, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the bell for weekly insights that help you learn, simplify, and lead. At its core, supply chain management, SCM, is the coordination of people, processes, technology, and resources to ensure goods move efficiently from suppliers to customers. According to the Council of Supply Chain Management Professionals, supply chain management includes all activities in sourcing, procurement, conversion, logistics, customer service, and coordination with channel partners. Think of it as the circulatory system of business, connecting suppliers, manufacturers, distributors, and retailers into one heartbeat that keeps the economy alive. The following are the 7 core components of supply chain management. Number 1. Supply chain planning, the foundation of the entire chain. Planning involves forecasting demand, designing the supply chain, and setting goals for cost, quality, and efficiency. Just like a builder needs blueprints before laying bricks, a supply chain manager needs data-driven plans before making any move. Every strong supply chain starts with a plan. Planning involves forecasting demand, aligning resources, and setting performance goals. Companies like Procter & Gamble use AI-driven demand forecasting to predict customer needs weeks in advance. A solid plan helps balance supply and demand, minimize costs, and avoid stockouts or overproduction. Lesson: a great supply chain doesn't react, it anticipates. Number 2. Procurement. Once the plan is ready, the next step is finding reliable suppliers for raw materials, components, and services. Identifying, selecting, and evaluating the right suppliers, those who provide quality materials, on time, and at the right price. It's not just about cost cutting, it's about relationship building, what we refer to as supplier relationship management. For example, Toyota's long-term partnerships with its suppliers helped it recover faster from supply disruptions, like the 2011 Japan earthquake. Smart sourcing ensures reliability, ethics, and sustainability in every purchase. Number 3. Manufacturing or production. This is where ideas become products. Manufacturing includes production scheduling, quality control, and maintenance. Companies like Apple rely on precision manufacturing through partners like Foxconn to deliver consistency at scale. Also, Toyota have mastered this through the lean manufacturing philosophy, minimizing waste, maximizing value, and ensuring continuous improvement. Efficiency here depends on lean principles, minimizing waste while maximizing value. As Dr. Martin Christopher, 2022 explains, lean manufacturing is the backbone of supply chain excellence. Number 4. Logistics. Logistics includes transportation, inventory or stock management, order fulfillment, and warehousing. It is the motion in supply chain, the trucks, ships, planes, and warehouses that keep the flow going. This is where products are stored, transported, and delivered to customers, the stage where the customer's experience begins. Amazon's fulfillment network is a perfect example. Strategically located warehouses powered by robotics and data. The goal: deliver any product anywhere, in record time. A well-structured logistics system balances material management and physical distribution to achieve speed, cost, and reliability, the holy trinity of modern delivery. Distribution ensures that finished goods reach customers on time and in perfect condition. Whether it's a local bakery or a global brand like Coca-Cola, the efficiency of distribution defines customer satisfaction. Companies now integrate last-mile delivery solutions and real-time tracking to enhance visibility and trust. Number 5. Returns management or reverse logistics. Reverse logistics handles product returns, repairs, recycling, and disposal. It's not just about taking goods back, it's about recovering value. Dell and HP use reverse logistics to recycle parts and reduce electronic waste, supporting sustainability. Reverse logistics is not a cost center but a source of competitive advantage. Number 6. Integration, collaboration, and coordination. Information flow. Finally, none of these components work without integration, the seamless flow of information, materials, and finances across the chain. Digital tools like AI, IoT, and blockchain now enable end-to-end visibility. Companies that share real-time data with partners reduce lead times, improve forecasting, and build trust. Visibility transforms chaos into coordination. When these components align, businesses achieve operational excellence, reduced costs, satisfied customers, and sustainable growth. But when one breaks, delays, shortages, and disruptions follow. The key takeaway: Supply chain success is not built on one component, it's built on balance. In today's world, supply chains don't just move products, they move lives, economies, and opportunities. Every student learning logistics, every entrepreneur managing inventory, every professional optimizing delivery, you're part of a global system that feeds, builds, and connects humanity. So next time you hold a product in your hand, remember, behind it is a network of people, data, and innovation working in harmony. That's the true power of supply chain management, and the world needs more people who understand it. If you found this video valuable, hit like, subscribe, and share with someone passionate about business and innovation. This is Supply Chain Simplified, where we turn complexity into clarity. Until next time, learn, simplify, and lead. If you found this video valuable, hit like, subscribe, and share with someone passionate about business and innovation. This is Supply Chain Simplified, where we turn complexity into clarity. Until next time, learn, simplify, and lead.